Bienvenue. Welcome to another show of Vérité. I'm your host, Sophie Gillot, and we continue our journey of the Histoire of Itel Haiti. As we continue, it's obvious to see some of the arts that Haiti was always growing around. I stand in front of here in the first Haitian Heritage Museum. Bienvenue. Welcome everyone. My name is Sophie and I'm your host with iVision TV. Welcome to another segment of Vérité. I'm here with the lovely, beautiful, intelligent Evelyn Pierre of the Haitian Heritage Museum. Miss Pierre, thank you so much for accepting our invitation today.
Thank you so much for having me,
Great.
Sophie.
Could you give us a little bit about yourself, since we said you're beautiful and intelligent, but what makes you so beautiful and intelligent?
Oh, wow. Okay, well, let me try to make sure I can say why I'm beautiful and intelligent. Well, basically, I feel that I have a vision, and God gave me that vision, and I wanted to kind of help my people, the Haitian people, people of color, to realize that vision. So it's not just a vision that I had for myself, but it's a vision for the community at large. So I feel that that what makes me beautiful, because I'm not thinking of myself selfishly, I'm thinking as a community as a whole.
All right. Now, we all know that online at HHM, which is HaitianHeritageMuseum.org,
Yes.
it states that you're a graduate from Howard University.
Yes.
So what brought you here?
Well, I was actually born and raised in South Florida,
Okay.
and I left a little bit. I went to Howard University to get my degree in political science, minor in history, and I ended up working for the Department of Justice, and I just thought that was very boring, you know, as I was in Washington, D.C., so I moved to California. Got into the entertainment industry, and I loved it, and it was great, and it was wonderful. But I felt like something was missing, and that's when I felt like I needed to do something more for my community, more for my people. And I moved back to South Florida, and I did some research, and it was Haiti Bicentennial.
All right.
And there were no museums dedicated to the Haitian people. So I was like, you know what, I have to be the one to do this. And that's how I came to South Florida, and I started the Haitian Heritage Museum.
All right. So in the Haitian Heritage Museum,
Yes.
what should someone come here? What should we see? What should we look for?
Okay, when you come to the Haitian Heritage Museum, you're going to come for a great experience. You're going to come for a taste of Haiti without having to have your passport, without having to go to Haiti. So what you will see in the museum, we have our artifacts, we have our paintings, we have our collection, we have stamps, we have money, we have like old documents, we have old pictures. You're going to see all of that. And then what we're trying to do, we want to actually get people to see that online as well. And we're kind of like fixing our website so people can see that, because sometimes you might be in China. You might not be able to come to Miami. And we want you to be able to log on our website and see what the Haitian culture is all about. But of course, we want you to come here too as well.
Of course.
Definitely.
Now, with the Haitian Heritage Museum, when you first opened the Haitian Heritage Museum, after a lot of research and a lot of fighting and walking around and talking, because you didn't just wake up and open the Haitian Heritage Museum in one day.
No.
You had to walk around and request and do business plans. Now, your goal was to open someone's eyes for Haitian art. But after opening the Haitian Heritage Museum, what goal did you set forward? And when you did satisfy that goal, what else happened here?
Wow, that's a loaded question, but let me see where I can start. The goal for the museum was to create a cultural legacy for the future generation. And the way we wanted to do that was first through education, two, through archives and digitizing our collection, and three, through partnerships, creative partnerships and culturally relevant partnerships for sustainability, because first of all, you can't do it alone. And the first way we wanted to do that was to educate the people, because if you don't know who you are, you won't know where you're going.
Exactly.
So we wanted to educate people, non-Haitians and Haitians alike. Because again, you know, a lot of times from what I heard from Haitians who came from Haiti, who studied in Haiti, they said they only memorized their lesson. So they memorized but didn't really know the detail of the history. And we wanted to kind of take that and go further, so not just memorizing it, but to giving them the blueprint so they can be all the Haitian that they can be.
All right.
And of course, not only the Haitian adult, but also the Haitian American student, because again, the Haitian American student, they don't have the opportunity to go to Haiti. And I was fortunate enough that my parents used to send me to Haiti every summer, so I kind of learned about the culture. So through digitizing and archiving, again, history is in the making. History is happening now. And we wanted it to be like a live museum and not like a boring, dead museum. You know, we wanted it to be hip, because we were reaching like all cross generations. Because we didn't want to just have one generation, you know, like the old school generation, but we wanted to reach out to the new school generation, because again, they are our future, and we want to make sure that they're equipped very well so they can not have a disadvantage but have an advantage when they're competing in the world today. So what we felt like, you know, it's not what we thought, but it's better than what we imagined. And when I say that, because one thing leads to another, to another, to another, we do professional developments, and we have school field trips, we have partnerships with other museums, so it just kind of blew up to something that was not what we expected when we did our blueprint and our business plan, but we welcome all of these changes, because again, this is putting our finger on the blueprint of the community.
All right.
Yes.
Well, the last question is, what word would you give to the Haitian Americans out there? Not only that, other cultures, what word of advice would you give the society?
The word of advice that I would give to the society is like, don't judge a book by its cover.
Of course.
Because people don't really know much about the Haitian culture, and only thing that they know is a lot of negative stuff, you know. Even prior, before the earthquake, you know, they had different connotations about Haiti. When you dig deep into the culture, you find out so many marvelous things about Haiti. Like, of course, a Haitian man founded Chicago. You learn that, you know, Haiti helped Simon Bolivar helped Latin America gain their independence from several different countries. You learn that, you know, Haitian Americans, Haitian slaves actually fought, not slaves, but free men fought in the Battle of Savannah, the siege of Savannah. So there's so many great things that you can learn about the culture, and it's sexy to be Haitian, you know. I'm happy that I'm Haitian. I feel blessed that I'm Haitian, you know. So again, I feel that we are a new thriving community, and it's like it's good to be Haitian, and we have a lot to offer people about our culture.
A lot to embrace. All right. Well, can you let us know what hours are you open? How can we get here? Your address and everything?
Sure, definitely. We are located in the beautiful Miami Design District, and it's beautiful Miami Design District, and we're located at 4141 Northeast 2nd Avenue and Suite 105C. We're open from Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And every second Saturday, we're open from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And we want everybody to come down and find us. And you can please go on our website, which is www.haitianheritagemuseum.org. And you can also find us on Facebook, which is Haitian Heritage Museum. And you can find us on Twitter at Haitian Museum. So please come out and check us out.
All right. Well, this is the end of our segment of the tour of the Little Haiti. Little Haiti. You can always go on our website at iVisionTV.com for more information about the interview today. See you next time.